Good morning, children. Welcome back once again with today's quiz competition of social study part 2 civics. Part 1 I have already uploaded in the previous videos. You can also check my previous videos in the description box. So before starting the quiz competition, here is some rules we have to follow. What we have to do? So we have to take one plain paper and there we have to write the number, serial number 1 to 20, and we have to select the answer and write there, and after completion of the video what we have to do, we have to match our answer. Now this video is made for class 6, 7 and 8 standard students. So before starting the quiz competition, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So here is question number 1. So which one of the following festival is not a harvesting festivals? Which one of the following festivals is not a harvesting festivals? So option 1 is Onam, option 2 Baisakhi, option 3 Diwali and option 4 is Pongal. So please think and select the correct option and write it on that page. Now come to question number 2. The majority of the people in Punjab are of which religion? First one is Hindus, second one Muslims, third one Sikhs and fourth one is Christians. So once again you have to select the perfect answer and then you have to write it in that paper. Now come to question number 3. Which of these is not a stereotype? Here is 4 options. So please listen carefully. First option is Tony is careful with his money. He must be a Jew. Question number 2. Shyam is better at science than his sister because he is a boy. Option number 3. A man traveling alone late in the night face more danger than man. Option number 4. Radha enjoys cooking because she is a woman. So please think and select the answer and write it in that page. Now come to question number 4. A municipal corporation is also known as option A Nagar Parishad, option B Nagar Nigam, option C Nagar Palika, option D Nagar Panchayat. Select the answer and write your answer in that page. Now come to question number 5. In a monarchy, there is 4 options. We have to select one option, that is the first option is the president is the head of government. Option 2. The Prime Minister is the head of the government. Option 3. The King or Queen is the head of the government. And option 4. The power rests with the people. So which one is the correct option? Please select it and write it on the page. Now come to question number 6. A form of government where a person rules the country without the collective approval of the people is called option 1 democracy, option 2 monarchy, option 3 dictatorship and option 4 republic. So select the correct option and please write the correct option in that page. Now come to question number 7. Which of these is not a feature of a democracy? Here again 4 option is there. First option is collective decision making and participation. Option 2, position of the ruler is hereditary. Option 3, universal adult franchise. Option 4, equality of all in the eyes of. So please think and select the correct option and write it on that page. Now come to question number 8. Universal adult franchise means. So here is again 4 option. We have to select one option from above 4. So option 1 is all the male above the age of 18 have the right to vote. Option B, all the women in the country have the right to vote. Option 3, all the people of the country have the right vote. Now option number 4, all the men and women above the age of 18 have the right to vote. So please select the correct option and once again I am repeating the same things, write it in that page. Now come to question number 9. In India, all citizens over the age of 18 can vote. Option 2. All citizens can vote except those who live below the poverty line. Option 3. Only the literate can vote. Option 4. Man over 18 and woman over 22 can vote. So choose the correct option and write. Now come to question number 10. In a democracy, which is the main body created to resolve conflicts peacefully and impartially? Option 1 is judiciary, option 2 is constitution, option 3 is parliament, and option 4 is police. So select the correct answer and write it in the page. Now come to question number 11. Which one of the following is not responsible for weakening the Indian society? Option A is casteism, option B is education, option C is illiteracy, and option 4 is poverty. Now come to question number 12. Which one of the following is not a union territory? So option A is Chandigarh, option B Goa, option C Delhi, option D Puducherry. So select the correct answer and write it in that page. Come to question number 13. The governor of a state is appointed by the option A Chief Minister, option B Prime Minister, option C Vice President of India, and option D President of India. So choose the correct answer and please write it in the page. Now come to question number 14. Very easy question. The paper was invented by Indians, Chinese, Japanese, and Greeks. Now come to question number 15. Advertising persuades the customer to option 1 enjoy only, option 2 purchase a particular brand of product or service, option C watch serials, option D listen to jingles. Once again select the correct option and write it in that page. Now come to question number 16. The smallest unit of community life is. So option A village, option B family, option C school, and option D child. Now come to question number 17. Economic development has made villages and towns. Option 1 close to each other, option 2 distant from each other, option 3 independent of each other, and option 4 rivals of each other. Now come to question number 18. Conflicting interests lead to option A understanding, option B flexible stand, option C classes, and option D harmony. Choose the correct answer and write it in that page. Now come to question number 19, second last question. Diversity is a good thing because it makes us more tolerant and open-minded. Option 2, it enriches our lives. Option 3, people with different skill sets are needed for human to survive. And option D, all the above are the correct. Now come to last question, that is question number 20. Which one of these can we manage without a government? Once again I am going to repeat the question. Which one of these can we manage without a government? Option A providing infrastructure like roadways, railways, postal services, and street lighting. Option B the security of the nation. Option C the economy of the nation, and option D grow crops and make pots for sale in the village market. So select the correct option and write it in that page. So we have completed all 20 questions. Now this is the time of final result. So before doing correction, we have to now what we have to do, we have to match the result. We have to match the answer with the answer sheet. So check the answer sheet here. All the answers are given, and honestly please tell me